For this video, I will show you how to create a recurring meeting on Teams. Let's get started. First, go to Calendar on the left toolbar. Now click on New Meeting. Here, you can add a title for your meeting. You can also add a required attendance and change the start date for your meeting. Then it's time. For the end date, you can change it later. Then after that, click on the one that says does not repeat. Here you can change it to every weekday, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or you can customize it. For the start date, that's the one you put in earlier. For repeat every, you can choose one day, and it will occur every day starting to your start date. You can also choose weekly, just choose the day. And you will see that it occurs every Tuesday and Thursday. Now you can also choose monthly or yearly. For here, I will choose day. Then for the end date, choose the end date. Once done, you can click on save. After that, add a channel for your meeting. You can also add a location and such. Then save it. And now you have a recurring meeting on your MS Teams. And that's just it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.